مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel. With me, Dr. Imran Alawiye. Today's lesson, let's continue learning our vocabulary. We're still using the roots letter system, and today's letters are Sin, Fa, and Ra. Safara, Yesfiru, Sufur, which essentially means to unveil something, to become clear. But we are interested in form 3 of these root letters, which is Safara, Yusafiru, Safar, and that is verb to travel. Safara, Yusafiru, Safar. Shall we conjugate this? Why not? Let's conjugate it. So, Safara, he traveled. Safarat, she traveled. Safara, two men traveled. Safarata, two women traveled. Safaru, three or more men traveled. Safarna, three or more women traveled. Second person, Safarta, you male singular traveled. Safarti, you female singular traveled. Safartuma, both of you, regardless of your gender, traveled. Safartun, three more of you men traveled. Safartunna, three or more of you female traveled. First person, the speaker, Safartu, I traveled. And that's a neutral. A man will say Safartu, a woman will say Safartu, I traveled. Safarna, we traveled, whether two of us or millions of us, and it's gender neutral as well. Safarna, we traveled. Okay. Present tense. Yusafiru, he travels. Tusafiru, she travels. Yusafirani, two men travel. Tusafirani, two women travel. Yusafiruna, three or more men travel. Yusafirna, three or more women travel. Second person, Tusafiru, you male singular travel. Tusafirina, you singular female travel. Tusafirani, both of you, whether you are men or women, travel. Tusafiruna, three or more of you men travel. Tusafirna, three or more of you women travel. Okay. First person, Usafiru, I travel, and that's a gender neutral. A man will say Usafiru, I travel. A woman will say Usafiru, I travel. Nusafiru, we, two or more of us, travel. Nusafiru, and it's a gender neutral. Okay. What about imperative? Command. Commanding is singular male. We say safir, travel. And commanding is singular female. We say safiri, travel. Commanding two people regardless of gender, we say safira, both of you travel. Commanding three or more men, we say safiru, travel. And commanding three or more women, we say safirna, travel, all of you. Conjugation concluded. Sentences, please. Ya Imran. Let's start very simple. So we can say هل ترغب في السفر معنا إلى المغرب؟ هل ترغب في السفر معنا إلى المغرب? Would you like to travel with us to Morocco? هل ترغب في السفر معنا إلى المغرب? So I can say, متى ستسافر? متى ستسافر? When will you travel? متى ستسافر? You can say, ننوي السفر. ننوي السفر الشهر القادم. ننوي السفر الشهر القادم. We plan to travel next month. Okay. هل أحتاج إلى تأشيرة الدخول من السفارة المغربية؟ هل أحتاج إلى تأشيرة الدخول من السفارة المغربية؟ Do I need to obtain an entry visa from the Moroccan embassy? هل أحتاج, that means do I need, هل أحتاج إلى تأشيرة الدخول? Do I need an entry visa? تأشيرة is the visa, دخول that means entry. هل أحتاج إلى تأشيرة الدخول من السفارة المغربية؟ السفارة that means embassy, from the Moroccan embassy. The answer may be, لا تحتاج إلى تأشيرة الدخول للسياحة. لا تحتاج إلى تأشيرة الدخول للسياحة. No, you do not need an entry visa for tourism. السياحة, that's tourism. لا تحتاج إلى تأشيرة الدخول للسياحة. Okay. هل سافرت إلى المغرب من قبل؟ هل سافرت إلى المغرب من قبل؟ That means, have you traveled to Morocco before? هل سافرت? Have you traveled, or did you travel إلى المغرب to Morocco من قبل before? We can say, نعم, yes, نعم, مرتين سابقا, or في السابق. مرتين, twice before, in the past. مرتين, twice, سابقا, or في السابق, in the past. Then curiosity, ask question. وكيف كان السفر? كيف كان السفر? How was the journey? How was your journey in Morocco, to Morocco? وكيف كان السفر? I can say, كان ممتعا للغاية. كان ممتعا للغاية. It was incredibly enjoyable, very enjoyable. كان ممتعا, that's enjoyable, للغاية, to the extreme, and very. كان ممتعا للغاية. الجو ممتاز, والطعام لذيذ, والمغاربة ودودون ومرحبون. So I will say, الجو ممتاز, the weather was fantastic. الجو ممتاز, or رائع, if you like. والطعام لذيذ, food delicious, لذيذ. Above all, والمغاربة, and Moroccans, ما شاء الله, ودودون, they are very friendly people. ومرحبون, and very welcoming. So, الجو ممتاز, والطعام لذيذ, والمغاربة ودودون ومرحبون. الجو ممتاز. Okay, what are the other vocabulary that we can derive from sin, fa, and ra? We already learned safara. Safara means embassy. Safirun, that's the ambassador, the same root. So safaratun, an embassy. Safirun, male ambassador, or safiratun, female ambassador. What else can we get? We can get jawazu safar. Jawazu safar is your passport. So jawaz, in a sense, that means, permission for you to travel. Jawazu safar. Here we are. Sin, fa, and ra. Verb to travel. Safara, yusafiru, safar. You are making progress, I am sure. Judging from your comment and things, alhamdulillah. Praise be to my Lord. You are making progress. Feel free to suggest any other things you want me to teach you. I will try my best, inshallah. So, start learning your vocabulary. 1 word, 2 words per day. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. And send the link to those who might benefit from it, inshallah. And if you are able to, please make donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. Those of you who have done so, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Shakarallahu lakum. Wa adkhalallahu surura ila qulubikum. Ma'a salama. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.